Now, ayon sa articles of impeachment galing sa House of Representatives, from district representatives to party list representatives, which was promptly transmitted to the Senate, may 6 silang dahilan ayon kay House Secretary General Reginald Velasco. Number 1, conspiracy to assassinate President Marcos, First Lady, and Speaker Romualdez.
Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke. No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Number 2, we have the malversation of 612.5 million in confidential funds. Remember Mary Grace Piatos? Number 3, bribery and corruption in DepEd patungkol sa pag-receive ng mga opisyal ng DepEd of lump sums sa ilang envelope each na naglalaman ng libo-libong salapi. Number 4, we have the unexplained wealth and failure to disclose assets. Number 5, we have the involvement in extrajudicial killings with Arturo Las Cañas implicating the Duterte family for Davao drug killing using the Davao Death Squad.